Did you ever realize you have been learning English for the last so many months, and even lot of English learners are learning English for the last so many years, but still not able to speak English fluently? Why does this happen to most of the English learners? And if you are also facing the same problem, so in this video we are going to discuss about, though we have been spending a lot of time on this particular language, still we are not able to speak this language. Okay, why does this happen with us? So just try to watch this video till the end. Definitely we are going to learn a lot of stuff out of it. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Krishna and you are watching Krishna Teams. So let's just directly come to the point. What I mean to say is, okay, let me ask you one question. How did you learn your native language? Here, the answer is very simple. You had environment, you had lot of co-learners, you had a lot of English speakers to speak it, and from your childhood, whatever you did, whatever you have exposed yourself, and you did all things in your native language because you had that environment. But now, when you want to speak in English, when you want to learn English, you are missing it. Yes, so only because lack of having the environment and having English speaking partners and having the atmosphere of learning English. So this is where the problem is happening. Not only with you, it is a problem of majority of the English learners. Only because of this, they are just giving up in the middle of the English speaking journey, and they are not getting the better results, and they are not getting the fluency. Okay, what we can do? What we can do to come out of this problem? Yeah, when I was at my beginner level also, I used to think about it. I used to feel very depressed about this having this struggle. So when what I mean to say is, instead of regretting about it, instead of feeling sad about it, instead of keep blaming others, instead of keep giving lot of excuses, what we can do is to just explore ourselves to English language more and more. Yes, so this is the only thing I can say, because what happens is, when you are ready to learn something new in English language, then obviously there is a way to get fluency, because we feel very uh, hesitate to speak in English. They feel very nervous to have a conversation with at least one single person. This is a common problem. But as a beginner, this is a very natural and most common problem for every English learner, not only to you. What I mean to say is, just try to explore lot of techniques, try to consume lot of information in English. Okay, and also not only consuming information, right? So not only giving input through reading and watching lot of information, it doesn't add value to you, but also you have to focus on output also. Output, it doesn't mean like, output means you have to focus on writing and speaking. Yes, so these days we are missing out speaking problem only because of not having English speaking partner, only because of not having English speaking environment. But if you keep stopping yourself by giving this only excuse, you can never get fluency in English, right? So whatever you can, you have to try out multiple things. You have mobile with you, right? What else do you need beyond it, right? So if you have one single mobile with you, then nobody can stop you. You can speak English only alone. Yes, you don't need anybody, you don't need any English speaking partner, you don't need any other person, you don't need any mentor also, right? Just if you have mobile with yourself, that's it. That is the thing I wanted to say. So you have to be ready, you have to be ready to learn always something new in this English language, because English is like an ocean, right? If you feel like I know everything in English and there is nothing to learn something new, you are making a biggest mistake. Why? Because it is like an ocean. There will be always something new to learn this English language. You have to realize it, you have to focus on it. But if you feel like an egoistic person, I know everything in English, but still I'm not able to English, I'm not able to speak English. I'm able to understand English. I remember all words and I know the all grammar rules in English. But when it comes to speaking, my mind is just going blank and at least one single word also coming to my mind. Right when I want to have a conversation with other person. So just remove this thought of being insecure in your mind, right? So speaking is all about is your mindset, right? So if you can think like, why can't I able to speak in English? Then obviously you will speak in English, right? No matter how you speak, no matter about which is the thing you speak about, doesn't matter. You keep concentrate on speaking English only. Even if you repeat lot of words, even if you make lot of mistakes in your English, don't care about all of them. So just focus on speaking English. Okay. If you continue the process for a longer period of time, definitely you will start getting the better results. Once upon a time, I also used to face the same struggle. I used to feel really nervous if I want to speak at least one single person. But now I'm recording video, I'm sharing all my thoughts and opinions about this English language in the form of video. So this is where my progress is going up, right? So why you're not understanding? English is speaking is all about practice sessions. We all know about it, but having that consistency, having that willpower in your mindset, right? So if you think in your mind, why can't I speak in English? Definitely, I will make it possible, right? So you have to think like that. No matter how many days you are gonna invest, no matter how many days it's gonna take, but I will make it possible. So you have to feel like that. You have to take that goal about your fluency, right? So then only you will make it possible, right? So just to take people's opinions, just to grab, just to give attention to the people's suggestions, right? Sometimes people might suggest you to some important things, but we have to take care of them with a smile, right? So we should not take them as our ego. We should not feel like sad about our English fluency, right? So as a learner, it is very natural to make mistakes. It is very natural to learn from those mistakes, right? We have to ready to do anything to get fluency. Okay, so this is what all I wanted to say in this video. But these days people are missing out these simple things to get fluency in English. Instead of doing all these things, just they are giving lot of excuses and they're just focusing on unnecessary things which doesn't even add at least one single percent value to their fluency, right? So how does it make sense? I would ask. So at least from now, be clear in your mind. So just focus on what you want. Okay, not the other thing. So this is what all I wanted to say in this video. I hope you like my video. So just if you like this video, just try to make a like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing, and never stop speaking. Okay.